This type of frozen animal rescue videos has been trending all over the internet, pulling in millions and millions of views. So, let me walk you through how these videos can be created using simple AI tools. No complicated workflow, just one streamlined process from start to finish. The very first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT. Once you're inside, you paste my ready-made prompt, which I've already provided for you in the description. Instantly, you now have 10 ready-to-use prompts for your video generation. Next, open a new tab and search for FlexClip AI. Click on the first link that appears. From here, sign in with your email or Gmail account, and once your login is successful, this is what you'll see. Navigate to the AI Tools section, then click on AI Video Generator. Switch the option to Text to Video and open the Models collection. For this type of videos, we'll switch it to normal Sora 2. Now, take any of the prompts you've prepared from ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box. Select the aspect ratio for shorts, choose the video duration, and click Generate. While it's generating, here's an example of one I created earlier. Let's see how smooth and realistic it looks. Once ready, click Download to save it to your device. Repeat the same process for your other prompts. Once all your videos are ready, you can post them to your social handles, and just like that, they're ready to go viral.
Hold up, buddy. Just a little more. There you go. You're free.